I'll stream.
Yeah, since you can talk to you, I would tell you when. Like you said, I have a timer on my phone. I will get it ready. Around 50 seconds, I would tell you to use the arbitration. Like around 50 seconds, 15.
What's the cooldown on torrent?
We need to use that devastate at around the same time as well when the buffs are on instead of like.
Yeah, when we have all the buffs on, we devastate. Boom, easy damage.
We do that. We do that at the right time.
Hey, everyone get in the totems if y'all crossbows are ready.
Yeah. Copy paste something like that. Copy. Because I think
Torrent Z cooldown is 25 seconds.
I do not
we
think
use the arrow around like 27 seconds then.
Because I'm going to be timing my torrent cooldowns so I can like optimize it. So I know like when exactly I should do my stuff.
You know what? I'm gonna get a consumer cannon. I'm just gonna shoot once to try to get a mark on.
Yeah, just try to get a mark on as well. Just shoot once. Try to shoot once.
Go to center to charge up. I need to charge up Ocean, so go center.
I think it was me who used the Arbin basically by accident. Because I was just trying to focus on actually shooting as well.
So we should be still firing crossbow whenever it's about to start, so that we don't lose out on DPS.
Yeah.
Like someone get a training dummy when when you hit the sound, right? Place a training dummy
here,
and then like just spam it, but do not spam it too much. Like wait like 5 seconds, then start shooting, so you don't lose out on DPS.
So we have to start off with torrent, right?
Yeah, start off with now Sunday totem, Sunday torrents, and like crossbow later on, and arbitration. Torrents. I mean, might as well.
I don't know if torrent is needed, but you know.
I mean, if you want to die, sure.
No, okay, Poppy. The thing, okay, Poppy. The totems don't stay midair. Yeah, you can't place them midair.
You're just grounded.
Bro, it was always like that, Poppy. That the reason why we placed totems in the sky, right, was because we went to the skybox, but we can't. Wait, should we even be saying that? You know,
Okay, is everyone ready? Make sure you have Aura of the Ocean buff on.
Yeah, go to the center for Ocean. Ocean is only 5.
Yeah.
Ocean was 1000, like pre-nerf Ocean. We've probably been able to do it. It's because Ocean is 500 now. But half. Yeah, I agree, probably. We got it to like 50 mil.
One minute.
1 minute.
Number 2 of the dice.
Torrent's cool. So Torrent cooldown is 25 seconds.
Place it when the music, like the summoning music, just goes into like halfway, and place have a dummy ready, and then we start shooting at it. Like individual dummies, so that we have the attack speed on, like crossbow attack speed buff on, regardless.
I'll place my dummy in front of us. When it hits 20
it doesn't
seconds.
take that long for the crossbow to go off, so I don't think it's.
We don't want to have downtime, you know.
Yeah, but okay, look, think about it this way: your Soulwind the stacks that go into the dummy instead of Azathoth, right? And we want Azathoth to have as much Soulwind as possible.
Yeah.
Dummy down.
Okay, I'm gonna place dummy here as well.
Okay, get ready, boys.
Back up.
Place your own dummy. Place your own dummy and just shoot at it.
That thing is dumb.
Poppy, make sure you have the caps lock, like the spamming. The spamming, remember.
Auto, get ready.
Get ready for total.
Hope we all won't fuck up this turn.
Come on. Slash it.
Wait, what about Thorn Heads?
Arbitration,
Arbitration up.
Oh, that's one. You saw that's what they.
Shit.
Yes. Get ready for another round of arbitration. Use it now, arbitration.
Consumer cannon. Mark.
Get ready for another arbitration. If you have arbitration, use it now.
Use arbitration.
Use devastating. No.
We did it. We did it.
We did it.
Holy shit!
We did it.
We killed the asshole.
We did legit.
We killed